If you have a keychain here, you don't have to take it off. You just press in this button right here and slide out the physical key like so. You just set that to the side, and you look at this side right here. It's the side where it has the emblem, not the buttons. And right here, you basically just grab with your finger and pry out. Now it feels like you're gonna break it, because it feels like it gets to a point where it's in a bind. Just go ahead and pull it. It'll pop. And you see it has these little snaps right here. So it's not gonna break it. It's designed to pull apart. Set that piece down. All right, so now we see the battery. You can see it's hooked in there, these two little spots, and then it has a little place where it's overlaid. Now this is a rubber seal right there, so you don't want to damage that. So the battery is a CR2450. So let's go ahead and take it out. Use a small, you can use like tweezers or something. I have a small screwdriver, and there's a little spot right here. They just kind of get in there and pry up a little bit, and it kind of pops out, so you'll be prepared for that. So yes, it's CR2450. It's a pretty thick battery. You can see there's the inside. And to put the new one in, you just place it in like so, where at one side is under that little lip, and then you just kind of press it in place. And then just make sure that these little tabs here are over top of the battery, that it's down far enough to where these little tabs can go over the back over and hold that battery in place. Then you take your cover here, and what you have to hook it on the bottom. You have to hook, there's a little tab there at the bottom. You have to hook that first. And then once you hook that bottom, you just kind of pivot it forward. Try not to push the buttons on the other side. And then you can press it in place. And it's pretty, once you get that bottom tab hooked in place, it's pretty straightforward. It'll fall right in place basically. And then you can put the physical key back in, make sure that's secure, and you're good to go.